Hello guys, this is a 2024 Honda HR-V. So what happens when the battery on the remote dies? Remote won't work, the car won't detect the remote at all. So the way that you're gonna start the car, you're gonna press the push button for a couple seconds till you see the light and let it go, and then push it again. So that's how you start the car. So you push and hold until you see that, and then let it go, and then push it again until the light on the dash comes on. Okay, that's how you start with a Honda HR-V 2024. Thank you for watching.